cleaning campaign with DOs and MINDEF.
Adinin Works and Engineering took part in a cleaning campaign organized by the district office in collaboration with MINDEF at Andulau Sungai Liang Recreational Park. The objective is to bring the community together, create awareness about a clean environment, and promote a healthy lifestyle.
All personnel arrived early at the designated meeting point and were provided with a proper safety briefing prior to the commencement of the cleaning activity.
Sesi pemanasan badan. Selain daripada itu, lepas ini kita ni akan menjalankan sama mendengar taklimat masyarakat.
The objectives of the cleaning campaign were successfully achieved through strong community participation, enhanced environmental cleanliness.
Let's work together to keep the environment clean for a better lifestyle.
Thank you for watching, and we appreciate your support.